Hey guys, it's me Riley, and before this video starts, I'd just like to say that I filmed this a month ago and I'm doing the voiceover this month, and I'm also posting it this month. So yeah, let's get started. Starting out with the fresh face, I'm just going to take my eyeliner and apply it to my lower waterline. The eyeliner that I'm using is the Maybelline New York Master Precise Skinny Gel Pencil, which will be found in the description below. I will then proceed to do my upper waterline and wing it out. This is only my second real wing, so don't crucify me in the comments if I mess it up. I mean, sisters, not twins. As much as you've heard that before, it is very, very true. And when I finally decide that it's halfway decent, I move on to mascara. I'm not going to go into how I apply my mascara because I'm pretty sure you've done it before. But if you're wondering, the brand I use is the Maybelline New York The Falsies Volume Express Mascara, which will also be found in the description. Now I'm just going to curl my eyelashes to get a little bit more volume, and then I'll move on. And now that that's done, it's time to move on to lipstick. After I get on the base of my lipstick, I just take a slightly lighter color that will act as a highlight. This shade is called Breeze by Wet n Wild. And that's pretty much it for this makeup look. And now it's time for me to put on my dress. If you're wondering, the dress that I got is from Dillard's. For accessories, I decided to go with the silver theme. These silver earrings are from Kohl's. The necklace that I'm putting on here is from Macy's. And even though these two pieces of jewelry were from different places, I still think that they matched pretty nicely. And now it's time for hair. All I'm really going to do is straighten it. To spice it up a bit, I'm just going to take this hair clip I got from Claire's and use it to keep my hair out of my face. For shoes, I'm just going to wear my silver wedges from TJ Maxx. Now enjoy a few clips from the dance.
Because I'm naughty, naughty. Hey, I'm Mr. Simple. Because I'm naughty.